Ever felt drained and lethargic without any apparent reason? You're not alone. It's a common experience in today's fast-paced world, where the demands of life can leave us feeling depleted. But there's a way to combat this exhaustion, to restore balance and vitality: yoga. Lethargy can sneak up on us, taking many forms. From physical fatigue to mental exhaustion, it can be triggered by a variety of factors. Maybe you're not getting enough sleep, or your diet isn't providing the nutrients your body needs. Perhaps stress is weighing you down, or you've been pushing your body too hard. Whatever the cause, the effects of lethargy are undeniable. It can hinder productivity, cloud mental clarity, and undermine our overall well-being. But by recognizing the signs of lethargy, we can address its root causes and take steps toward recovery. Enter yoga, an ancient practice with modern relevance. Originating from India, yoga offers a holistic approach to wellness, uniting body, mind, and breath. It's more than just a flexibility and strength workout. It's a form of therapy, a path to wellness. Yoga can reduce stress, enhance circulation, and sharpen mental focus. Regular practice can build resilience, relieve tension, and nurture a deep sense of inner peace. So how can yoga help combat lethargy? Picture this: a sequence designed to reinvigorate, to replenish energy levels, to restore balance. It starts with the mountain pose, a foundation of strength and stability. From there, transition into the forward fold, a gentle release for the spine. Follow with the downward dog, a rejuvenating stretch for the entire body. Next comes the warrior pose, a testament to resilience and endurance. The bridge pose follows, opening the chest and heart. Finally, the corpse pose, a moment of stillness and relaxation. Each pose is a step on the journey to recovery, a chance to reset and recharge. The mountain pose grounds us, the forward fold releases tension, the downward dog rejuvenates, the warrior pose strengthens, the bridge pose opens, and the corpse pose allows us to rest and absorb the benefits of the practice. Remember, yoga is a journey, not a destination. It's about listening to your body, respecting its limits, and nurturing its potential. It's about finding balance, reclaiming energy, and overcoming lethargy. It's about taking care of yourself so you can continue to take on the world. So next time you're feeling drained, remember this sequence. Turn to yoga. Rebalance, rejuvenate, and recover. Harness the power of this ancient practice to combat lethargy and restore vitality. Because you deserve to feel energized, focused, and at peace. That's the power of yoga.